9 foods that trigger cancer and you should avoid at all costs. Hi, Guardians of Health. Ready to transform your health today? Did you know that some of the foods we eat every day might actually be hidden threats to our bodies? Yes, common items in our diet contain harmful substances that increase the risk of developing serious diseases, including cancer. Studies show that certain products, like processed sugars and deli meats, are directly linked to higher risks of various types of cancer. It's alarming to think that something as simple as our food choices could have such a profound impact on our health, isn't it? Today, I'll share the 9 foods you should avoid at all costs to protect your body and strengthen your health. Get ready to transform your habits with practical tips you can start applying right away. First food, processed sugars and soft drinks. Processed sugar and soft drinks are 2 of the biggest health villains, strongly associated with an increased risk of cancer. These products, especially those containing corn syrup, spike blood glucose levels, prompting excess insulin production and creating an inflammatory environment in the body. According to studies, regular consumption of refined sugar is linked to increased obesity, diabetes, and the risk of certain cancers, like pancreatic cancer. Soft drinks are also filled with empty calories, providing no nutritional value, while contributing to weight gain and other metabolic issues that can weaken the immune system. The high concentration of sugar and chemical additives in these products harms the liver and increases the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. For a simple and beneficial change, swap out sodas for healthier options like sparkling water with lemon or unsweetened herbal teas. Reducing processed sugar intake helps protect your cells and promotes stronger, more balanced health. Second food, processed meats. Processed meats, such as sausages, bacon, ham, and other deli products, are on the list of potentially cancer-causing foods according to the World Health Organization, WHO. These products contain chemicals like nitrates and nitrites, which are used to preserve and enhance flavor, but can turn into carcinogenic compounds when heated, increasing the risk of colorectal cancer. Research published in the International Journal of Cancer indicates that regular consumption of processed meats is linked to a higher risk of cancer, especially in the digestive system. These chemical additives can damage cellular DNA, promoting uncontrolled growth of cancer cells. For a healthier choice, opt for fresh proteins like chicken and fish, or even plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. This way, you support your body and reduce exposure to these harmful substances. Third food, hydrogenated oils. Hydrogenated oils, also known as trans fats, are found in many processed foods like margarine, cookies, and fast food. This type of fat is widely used to extend shelf life, but its consumption can have severe health consequences. Trans fats increase LDL, the bad cholesterol, and lower HDL, the good cholesterol, creating an environment conducive to cardiovascular disease and cancer. Additionally, consuming trans fats causes inflammation in the body, damaging cells and weakening the immune system. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, classifies trans fats as potentially highly harmful, with the potential to increase the risk of various types of cancer. To reduce this risk, choose natural, healthy oils, such as olive oil and avocado oil, and avoid foods containing hydrogenated vegetable fat on the ingredients list. Simple choices like these make a big difference. Fourth food, alcoholic beverages. Excessive consumption of alcoholic beverages is associated with an increased risk of mouth, esophagus, liver, colon, and breast cancers. Alcohol can damage cellular DNA and cause chronic inflammation in the body, one of the main factors leading to cancer development. Studies show that even in moderate amounts, regular alcohol consumption raises the risk of certain types of cancer. Additionally, alcohol overloads the liver, an essential organ for detoxifying the body, and gradually weakens its functions. This makes the body more susceptible to the buildup of toxins and carcinogenic substances. Want more tips to transform your health? Click on the link pinned in the comments to discover natural products that help protect your body against cancer and other diseases. Make this change now and take care of yourself. Fifth food, foods with pesticides. Pesticides are widely used in agriculture to control pests, but their residues remain on food and can cause significant health damage. Studies suggest that consuming foods with high levels of pesticides is associated with an increased risk of cancer, as well as hormonal and neurological issues. Among the most harmful are fruits and vegetables that are heavily sprayed during cultivation. These pesticides can damage the body's cells and disrupt essential hormonal functions, which facilitates the development of cancer cells. The risk is especially high in products that aren't washed or properly cleaned, as pesticides penetrate the skin and pulp of the foods. To reduce exposure to these chemicals, choose organic foods whenever possible, and make sure to clean fruits and vegetables properly. Using vinegar and baking soda solutions for washing can help remove residues and make eating safer. Sixth food: white flour and refined foods. Foods made with white flour, such as bread, pasta, and pastries, are rapidly absorbed by the body, causing spikes in glucose and insulin. This not only contributes to weight gain and the development of diabetes, but it also increases the risk of cancer. Excessive consumption of refined foods is associated with a chronic inflammatory state in the body, which creates an environment conducive to cancer cell growth. White flour goes through a refining process that removes most of its nutrients, leaving only quick-absorbing carbohydrates, which contribute to body imbalances and cell oxidation. Studies indicate that a diet rich in refined foods and low in fiber may increase the risk of colorectal cancer. For a healthier option, choose whole foods, such as brown rice and whole grain bread. They're rich in fiber and nutrients, offering real health benefits and helping to prevent disease. Seventh food: ultra-processed snacks. Ultra-processed snacks like cookies, chips, and packaged granola bars are loaded with preservatives, colorings, and other chemical additives that harm health. These foods, in addition to being high in sugar and trans fat, are low in essential nutrients and are classified as empty calories. Regular consumption of these products can trigger inflammatory processes in the body and weaken the immune system, increasing the likelihood of chronic illnesses and even cancer. Research shows that frequent consumption of ultra-processed foods is linked to a higher risk of obesity and cancer, especially colorectal cancer. Continuous ingestion of chemical additives and preservatives causes oxidative stress in cells, which can result in mutations and DNA damage. For a healthier snack alternative, go for natural options like fruits, nuts, and plain yogurt, which provide essential nutrients and antioxidants to protect the body. Small changes in your eating routine make a big difference for your health. Eighth food: foods with preservatives and chemical additives. Many processed foods contain preservatives and chemical additives, such as nitrites, sulfites, and benzoates, used to extend shelf life and enhance appearance and taste. Although convenient, these additives can have harmful health effects over time. Studies suggest that constant intake of chemical additives is associated with chronic inflammation and an increased risk of cancer, especially in the digestive system. These chemicals can damage cellular DNA and interfere with immune system functions, creating room for tumor growth. The IARC, International Agency for Research on Cancer, classifies some of these preservatives as potentially carcinogenic substances. Whenever possible, choose fresh foods and avoid products with labels indicating artificial preservatives. Natural, minimally processed foods help keep the body healthy and less exposed to harmful substances. Ninth food: genetically modified foods. Genetically modified foods, GMOs, are designed to resist pests and boost crop yields, but their impact on health remains debated. Some studies suggest GMOs may lead to inflammation and disrupt gut health, potentially increasing the risk of certain diseases, including cancer. Often, these foods are grown with stronger pesticides, which can leave harmful residues behind. There are also concerns about how genetic modifications could affect our cells and immune system. Want to learn how to make safer, natural choices? Click on the link pinned in the comments to explore products free from GMOs and other harmful ingredients. Start this change today to better protect your health. Avoiding these foods can be a simple yet powerful step toward protecting your health and lowering the risk of serious diseases like cancer. By choosing more natural, minimally processed options, you help strengthen your body and support a lifestyle focused on wellness and prevention. Each small change counts. Remember, prioritizing your health is a commitment worth making, and you're not on this journey alone. Now tell us, which of these foods are you most determined to avoid? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep thriving. Guardians of Health.